5 litres of it flows through our veins. It's essential for keeping us alive by carrying oxygen from our lungs to the vital organs in our body. But how many people here regularly donate blood? See, the problem is our blood banks are running low, and these donations are needed for people that have been in accidents or people that have undergone surgery. Blood transfusions are an essential part of modern patient care, and blood is a scarce human resource. We now need a new limitless supply for the 21st century, and scientists are now looking at using stem cells for blood transfusions. So, what are stem cells? You've possibly heard about them in the news and wondered exactly what they are. Stem cells are a unique set of master cells. They have the ability not only to continually replicate themselves, producing a never-ending supply, but also have the ability to morph into any cell type. They can change into nerve cells, into muscle cells, into bone cells, if given the right environment. Stem cells are, in essence, a repair kit for the body, and this makes them very, very attractive to scientists. So stem cells can now be cultured in the lab and can be used to engineer specific cells and tissues, and in our case, they can be used to engineer red blood cells that make up the majority of blood. So, how do we make red blood cells? Well, we treat these stem cells with a special recipe of chemicals and growth factors, and it causes these cells to morph and undergo cellular changes. So firstly, what happens is the cells lose their nucleus, and the nucleus is in essence the brain of the cell. It contains the DNA and tells the cell how to function. So once this has been lost, this frees up a lot of room within the cell, and this is why red blood cells are so effective at carrying oxygen around about the body. So next, the cells flatten, and this means that they can flow more easily round about the body. So, great, we've got these red blood cells, but why should we use them? See, at present, despite safety measures, patients are still at risk of getting infections and having immune responses to blood that's not their own. So, what do we do about this? Well, we can use man-made blood, and this obviously means this will be free from infections, blighted natural resources. And also, we can engineer blood that is O negative. Now, this is a universal donor, and this means it can be given to virtually any patient, regardless of their blood type. So, these cells have actually already been made in the lab, and they've been shown to be effective at carrying oxygen around about the body, as effective as their natural counterpart. And it's hoped within the next 10 years, these cells will be used to produce the millions of pints of blood needed for global medical use. Thank you.